Hey guys, Happy New Year!
What's up, guys? We are out here doing some river fishing.
Where at?
Jemez.
So we're here in Jemez, New Mexico. As you know, it's one of my favorite spots to come to. Hey! Go ahead and catch him some dinner.
So here we have a beautiful rainbow trout. Barely caught him here in the Jemez River.
Let me get
here,
you
baby.
Here. Hey, my love.
So we're gonna put him on this thing here so we can keep him in the water and keep him fresh.
So I'm a bit jealous, guys. I've been fishing for about 1 hour and I haven't caught anything.
You can see the rainbow right there. See, they call him a rainbow trout. Beautiful fish.
Can't wait to fry him or bake him. Keep them coming, honey.
So with this, we can put him back in the water.
And of course, there's mine. Congratulations, handsome. You caught one fish. And I didn't catch any. Bummer. So what you gonna do?
I got this bastard. But he's moving a lot though.
Okay. So guys, pay close attention. So you enter through the anus?
Yeah. Careful with your finger, don't cut it.
Oh yeah. Remember the last video? I think I cut myself. So what are you doing there?
Cleaning the insides. I know this is a little graphic, guys. Is this too graphic for you? Go to another YouTube channel. Keep pouring. Don't pour out the ice though. We're gonna need the ice. He's still kind of moving. So this is how you clean it from the inside.
You scrape out all the
Look, he's
blood?
still moving.
And little Nemo just keeps swimming. Just keep swimming.
He's still moving.
It's all the nerves.
And here we are again at Gilman's Tunnels. There's a tunnel right there.
Walk away.
If you guys want to see the rest of this tunnel, check out our video on Gilman's Tunnels. Just hope a car doesn't go through here right now.
Remember the last time we were here around this time it was snowing already.
What was that?